Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to make an advanced banner. And yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button to notify every time I post a new video, and comment down below what other videos you want to see, because I'm willing to do anything, but at least like anything that I can do, you know. So yeah, I just posted a video yesterday, so don't forget to go check that out. I gave you guys some QR codes for Video Star for the people who don't have any QR codes. I gave you guys some. I will definitely be doing another one soon, but not right now though, because I just got to do one. But yeah, so the apps you're gonna be needing are Pixar and Fonto and Google or Safari, whatever app you have. So first things first, what you want to do is get your banner template. You might see a lot of people do this. Get a banner template, because it's easier for them to fit to know what size the banner is, and it's easy for me as well. So you want to get the YouTube banner size image that looks like this. I already have it, so I'm not going to save it. But yeah, and then what you want to do is get your pictures together. These are my pictures that I have that I'm going to be using for my banner. I have these pictures. I'm going to be doing Delina Hillock. Most of you guys know her, most of you guys don't, but you guys should definitely go follow her Instagram. But yeah, so this is who I'm doing. And so next what you want to do is you want to get on Pixar. You want to press on the plus sign at the bottom, and then what you want to do is press on blank, and then you're going to press on add photo. So I'm basically going to be moving the backgrounds from the pictures, so I can just add the person in it. So it should look something like this, but I want it, you can erase stuff because it's not perfect. I usually use this app online, but I didn't want to use it. Yeah, so yeah. Ooh, I messed it up. Uh-oh. Okay. I think this should be good. Okay. And then you want to do that for every other photo you have, because I'm using 3. So, I think this is good. I'm not gonna make this perfect. But yeah, but now what you want to do is press on shadow, turn the opacity all the way up, turn down the blur like to 32, and position it to 0 for both of them, horizontal and vertical. And then what you want to do is press back on the image, press on border. So I'm trying to make it the slightest outline as possible, because that's how I like my pictures to be. But you can do whatever you want, but I like mine not to have a border on it. So hold on, I'm excited. This is good. We're gonna do this. So now you're gonna say that. Now I sped it up. So yeah, so after that, when you get on with that, you want to get on Fonto. I'm gonna have to teach y'all how to download.
When you see things differently, you can be the difference.
Okay, so I already made mine's like this, but I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So these are the fonts that I use. I use Vintage King, and I use a Care Expanded. So I'm gonna teach y'all how to download it, because I know y'all might not know how to do it. So basically, I just get on thefont.com. It's available on both on Android and iPhone. So I get on thefont.com, and then I just type in the font that I want. You go all the way up here to the search bar right here, and then you type in what you want. So as you can see, that I'm trying to type in the Vintage King that I just showed y'all, and so it popped up right there. It's the first one. You want to press download, and then you want to press download again. You want to press on the little arrow right there and press downloads, and then press on this, and then it should take you to your files. And where did it go? I'm serious. Hold on. I'm gonna just type in vintage. Okay, we got it. So now what you want to do is press on the share button, and then you want to scroll all the way until you see Fonto. You probably have to do it again, because it does that sometimes. I'll do it again. Okay, so mine's already installed. So when you get on this, it should have a little blue button that says install. You press on that, and then you get off of it, and then you should have it. So you do that for the other one as well. The other one's called Care Expand. I'm gonna leave it up for a couple seconds so y'all can, type it in. So Okay, so now that I have so y'all do that, you got your name and stuff. So after that, wait, I didn't teach you how to change the color. So when you do all that, you press on style, then you make it whatever color you want to be. Mine's gonna be pink, and then you want to go to stroke, press on the white, and then you want to make it as light as possible, like this. I'm trying to make it. I had it at first. No. I'm not. Yeah, okay. There you go. And the other one, I just kept it all white. So, yeah. You can put a shadow behind it if you want to. But I already did my shadow. If y'all know how to do that, I'm teaching how to do that. Go to style, press on shadow. Turn the alpha all the way up. Turn the blur down to 26. And make the X and Y 0. So it can be even. I don't know why it's on 20. I thought I put it on 0. I'll put both of those on 0. And then it should look like this. I'm gonna have to both of them because I don't know why it's like that. I probably forgot to do it. But yeah. After you get done with that, start again. And make sure you add your pictures and stuff because you're gonna need it for this part. So press CR, and then the picture, the banner thing, template I told you download, you need to press on that. So I'm gonna go look for mine. Mine's always at the bottom because I downloaded it a long time ago. So yeah, here it is. So we got it right here. And now I'm gonna just add my photos that I had got from her Instagram. So I'm gonna just add them on here. Make sure they fit like this. They should need to fit inside the little bar. Okay. So yeah, if you don't have enough photos, you can just add another photo and multiply it. It doesn't matter because people really ain't gonna notice, but it don't matter because it's still cute either way. So yeah. Yeah, so let's add those. Make sure it fits inside there. I know mine's kind of out of the line. It's because I really don't care, really. But I'm gonna fix it a little. It don't matter. But yeah, I think we have enough pictures this time. Crazy. Okay. Okay, so mine's gonna be off a little bit, but it's fine. So yeah, and then what you want to do is press on sticker. So I got like a little pink background because it's my favorite color, and I think it will really go really good with it. So I'm gonna get the pink background that I have. So yeah, where is it? Oh yeah, here it is. And go follow my Instagram and my TikTok. My Instagram is at Visualsbysmyah backup because I made the other one, but I deactivated it because someone's on my account, so I made a new one. So go follow that, please. And go follow my Instagram at Visualsbysmyah as well. Trust me, I make really good content, and you're not going to want to miss out on what I do. So, yeah. Okay, so it's just look like this. And then you will turn the opacity down. Ooh, I'm kind of liking it for real, I'm be honest. And then you want to press apply. And then what you want to do is press tools, crop. And you're going to make sure that you stop at the line where the banner ends. Like, I don't really care about those little pictures like that right there at the bottom in the corner. It don't matter. But make sure it's the size it's supposed to be. It's supposed to like this. Then press apply. And then what you're going to do is press on add photos. So I'm going to add my photos that I remove the backgrounds from. So yeah. Okay, so we're going to put this one right here. We're going to put this one. I think I'm going to put it behind her because I feel like that'd be cute, right? So I'll put that behind her. And then we're going to add another one. And it's going to be this one. So yeah. Oh, that's cute, y'all. It's cute. But yeah. It's supposed to like this. I feel like I wanna like do that. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's cool. So then what you wanna do, I'm gonna add the YouTube name. I'm gonna put it on this side. And then it looks something like this so far. And then I'm gonna add my little subscribe button that I wanted. I got it off of Pixar. Press on stickers. Just type in subscribe button. I'm gonna use my pink one because it's my favorite color and it's so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna put some shadow on it. And yeah. So yeah, it's supposed to look something like this. Something like that. And then what you wanna do is press on. You know all that. What you wanna do, I like to add like effects, like what I like to do now is add like smoke. Yeah, I just find it really cute, like You know, so I'm gonna add stick. That's right there, but we ain't finished yet. We're not finished yet. So then, what you want to do is press back on sticker, and I'm gonna add a butterfly because I love butterflies. But we might add this as well. I don't know. I think that's doing too much. So we just gonna add. We're finna to add the butterfly. Just type in the pink butterfly, and it should pop up somewhere. So yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna put a little shadow on it. And then what you want to do, apply again. Then I'm going to press on FX effects, and I'm pressing on HDR1. And press apply. And it should look something like this. And then the last few touches, we're going to add some little scratches. Y'all don't have to add this, but I'm adding this because it's my favorite part. Because I love scratches on my stuff. Like, I became obsessed with it, and I still love it. So it should look something like this. Real cute, real simple. You can add your socials if you want, but I'm not going to do that. I don't like adding socials because I feel like I don't like to add socials on banners, but I would if I had to. But I should really start going more into that. I just don't do it as much as I should. So yeah, this is the advanced banner. I hope you guys like it. And comment down below what the videos you want to see. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to notify every time I post a video. And I will see you guys soon. So